In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to walk through a clean, reliable way to color correct a shot using a simple node setup, and I'll point out what to look for as you make adjustments so your results stay natural and consistent. Start by adding a red node for your footage. This is how you bring your media into the project. Load the file you want to correct and make sure it's pointing to the correct frame range and format. Once it's in, you should see a thumbnail or a line from the read node representing your source clip. Keep your node graph tidy so it's easy to follow what's connected to what as you work. Next, add a color correct node. This node will handle the core adjustments we'll make. Place it near your read node so you can connect them clearly. Now, connect your footage to the color correct node by dragging from the output of the read node into the input of the color correct node. If the nodes are linked properly, you'll be able to view the corrected output when the color correct node is selected and active in the viewer. With the setup done, start with hue to shift colors. Hue rotates the entire color wheel, so even a small move can have a noticeable impact. Use subtle shifts to warm up a cool shot or cool down a warm one. Keep an eye on areas like skies and skin tones. If they start to look unnatural, dial the hue shift back until everything feels believable. Move on to saturation to increase or decrease color intensity, lower saturation for a more muted cinematic tone, or raise it to make colors pop. Try to avoid oversaturating reds and greens, which can quickly look artificial. A gentle approach usually yields a more professional result. Now, refine brightness and balance using gain, gamma, and offset. Offset raises or lowers the overall brightness across the image. Gamma focuses on midtones, which is where faces and most details live, so use it to fine-tune contrast without crushing shadows. Gain controls the highlights. Increase it to bright areas or lower it to bring back detail in overexposed regions. Make small, deliberate adjustments and watch how each control affects different parts of the image. Finally, preview the result in the viewer and toggle the color correct node on and off by pressing D to compare before and after. This quick switch helps you judge whether your changes improve the shot without drifting too far from the original intent. When the corrected version looks balanced, clean, and consistent, you're done.